Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna install our Christmas tree. Finally! Christmas na! And yeah, we're just having coffee right now. This is all the decorations for the Christmas tree. So it's also manima. Third year na, no? This will be the third year na recycle namin that we are recycling our Christmas tree decorations because this is really good idea to have a plastic or this decorations kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin. You can use it every year as long as it is still in good conditions. Ganito siya guys. Ang ganda ng mga balls. I personally chose this. Ganda yan. This is our Christmas tree. It's 3-layer. So this is the top. And then I think that there's a little problem sa top part.
Look who's pretty is that? Look. Who's the most pretty?
Have purple, gold, and silver, but I think we're just gonna put the gold and silver to make it simple this year because para hindi siya masakit sa mata ba. Ano naman to? Favorite thing. We're gonna make it more. Ayun na purple thing. Mas bago mo lang. Kamay na mag-gold. So we have like this guys. Purple and then silver. This year we would like to make it more simple kasi medyo masakit na yung mata sa purple. And then we've already used the purple decoration for 2 years and we want to make a change this year. Yeah. So sineseparate ko lang yung mga purple, silver, and gold. We also have gold. We also have gold, so probably sayang because mas marami pa naman sana yung ano. Mas super marami pa yung purple kasi yung motif ng una. So, ang daming purple. This is the Christmas tree so far. Ayan. Ito na lang.
Yeah.
Medyo ano siya, tagilid siya doon kasi I think naipit yan when we stuck the Christmas tree. Pero, yeah. Ayan. Medyo tilt yung sa taas. But anyways, it turns out good. It's very simple. It looks classy though. Halata talaga yung ano, no? You can really see the difference. It's very tilt talaga. But anyways, I will decorate some part of the house, like doon sa counter. We have a lot of decorations left. Ayun, it's mostly the purple ones. Yan. But I plan to decorate it somewhere. But we're gonna leave the Christmas tree like that. It's very simple and classy. Hindi siya masakit sa mata. Ayan. So, I found a good idea where to put the other extra decorations. And then, it really looks like Christmas as well here in the kitchen. We just finished having lunch, guys, and then I'm so excited to wrap some of the gifts. Thankfully, my sister bought different colors, so it will look nice. And yeah, there are some gifts na hindi pa nag-arrive, so just a few gifts that I will wrap, at least when they will celebrate Christmas here without me, they will still have open gifts for me.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't